Hello, Uggies Worldwide. I'm Dave Kassler, amateur radio call sign KE0OG, here with another episode of Ask Dave. Today we're going to look at a question from Osvaldo Torres, K2APA, and he has a problem with an HOA. So he's designed to go with one of the Italian loops, Italian mag loop antennas, the Ciro Mazzoni Stealth loop, and it's in the attic. Now, his question is, can you run a stranded wire to a rod in the ground from his second floor station location, and that be enough to comply with the required grounding to try to reduce any RFI? And he says, I do not see how straps are better than ground. Let's take a look over here. This is a wire end on, okay? A wire end on. And just to show that it's a wire. Okay. Now, this is a solid wire across here, solid wire. And where is the current? If this is low voltage and DC, low voltage meaning, say, 220 volts, less than 220 volts, and AC less than, let's say 60 hertz. Okay, the entire copper wire is conducting the current. Now, if we change these parameters down here to RF, okay, like at ham frequencies, what portion of this wire is carrying the current? And the answer is just the skin. You get very little wire inside. So obviously, since it's not using the entire wire, the impedance goes up. We'll just say the R goes up, okay? Because we're only using the skin, so it's coming along the skin. So what can we do to maximize the amount of what this wire can carry? We want it to carry our current at RF. And the answer is to increase the surface area. How do we do that? Well, one way we can do that is to pound the wire completely flat. All right, so it's all surface and no interior. Now, obviously, copper can't quite do that. There needs to be some amount in here for it to have the strength not to just fall to pieces. But that way, the RF energy, which goes along the surface, now uses much more of the wire. Okay, because the RF is on the surface. So this is flat strap copper. Another way you can do this, and this has been popular for years, is to use what's called ground braid. Ground braid is many small wires that are interlooped and interlocked together. And I'm going to show you an example of ground strap. This right here is ground strap. See how rough that is? The surface area of that is enormous. It does stretch out a little bit, and you see that I've got it tightly hooked on to the back of this step-by-R antenna controller. Okay, I've also got it connected to the back of my radio, and these all go down to a copper bar. And then from there, I have a number 6 wire right here that's stranded. So there's lots of surface area in there. And this very heavy wire, it's number 2 wire, goes all the way down to the ground. One of these days, I'm going to replace this with a nice copper strap or else a nice 1-inch braid like this. You can get these in various sizes and so on from DX Engineering and so on. This is what you want, or the copper strap. So there you have it. If you've watched this far, I would encourage you to subscribe, click like, and share. And also you can go to dcastler.com/giveaway to find out what the giveaway is for the month. For the month of August 2022, it's this little RSPDX radio. This will be our giveaway. And nice little radio. I've got 3 of them, so we're letting one go. And until we next meet, 73.